go. It's Ironwood Investments here. We got our, we're down in Yuma, Arizona right now. Picked up the old GMC from the transmission shop. Hopefully, it was driving around, it's been running really good, so it shifts a lot better now. Instead of it rolling over from 1 to 2, it like shifts right in a second. And before, when you're driving it, you hammer on it to go from 4 to downshift from 4th to 3rd, it wouldn't do it. So feels like the transmission's working now. The guy put a speed sensor in it, he said, so hopefully that was the fix. And we'll be going over and getting our new Dodge back, which is sitting in the transmission shop, just so we can test drive this thing, and then heading over to Sam's Club, pick up some food for the restaurant. All right, heading off to go deliver some toilets. We got to order in here for someone that has a bad well. Their well went down, and they have no water at the RV park, so we've done a bunch of had to order for some toilets here, and they have a well at their RV park, and their well went down, so they don't have any water, so they don't have any toilets. So they want us to bring them some portable toilets over there right now, and I've done some work for them in the past. So we'll take the newly transmission fixed GMC over in the pump truck and load up 2 toilets in each, and then drop them off over at the park and see how that goes. Hopefully they'll stay there for a while. We're gonna go over there, grab this truck, get the pump truck. I don't know how many I have in my, we need 3 per toilet, so we need 12 rolls. See if I got them in my door of my truck. I probably don't have 12. I don't know if yeah, I can put on that one. There, we got them loaded up. 2 toilets. 2 toilets going out. 2 more going in this truck. This one's already set up for 1, I think. Not 2, of course. All right, 2 pots. All right, we got the toilets loaded up. We got our AC crank, because it's nice and warm outside for us. Oh, no, stop. Hey. It's our little poop truck compound. We got our little house here that we've been working on. Gonna have to put some metal roofing on it, but right now we got our floor all redone. Had Fred do that for us. Got us a brand new floor in here. Came out really nice. All 2x6 framing with 3/4 inch plywood. That was all of our goodies. No, I shouldn't have keyed it. I think I'm just gonna set them over here. You lean your head over so you can see. That way they'll be shaded, you know, throughout the day. You can open all those up.
Got it? I got it. It's quite kind for you.
What? Yeah, I got it.
I think you're good.
I'm good, thanks though.
Thank you.
It's not even level here. There we go. There's number 21. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. All right, now we're gonna fill the toilets up full of water. The dump trailer is gonna blow up.
We'll try it. It's got all this crap in the back. It's gonna fall out.
Oh yeah, strap it down.
Test it, see if it goes into reverse.
What?
So you can test it and see if it goes into reverse.
It's been going reverse so far, right?
Yeah, usually with a load on it, though, is when we have the problem.
What?
Usually with the load on it is when we have the problem.
Yeah. Well, you don't know if you don't try it. How are we gonna know? Who's gonna test it?
That's what I'm saying.
I gotta test it. Who else is gonna try to drive it? He's scared of it.
Yeah, if he drives it, you'll blame him. Oh. Some more, babe. Or drop
No,
it.
it's all loaded. I just strap it down. I wonder why it wasn't fucking strapped.
Yeah, it was like 3 o'clock yesterday. We loaded it up. Wanted to just get it loaded up.
Can you drop the hitch?
I can't drop this hitch. It doesn't drop.
You flip it around?
They pinned this down too low. God damn. He pinned this because you see how the pin's only down
Yeah.
so far? He cranked the jack all the way down.
No.
I'm not sure yet. Hey, Fred, when you put this trailer down next time, make sure you extend that pinned part of the hitch down further. You just put it down 2 things and cranked it all the way down. Now I can get in the back of my truck.
Pull forward.
All right, come on back. Not built in all the way, you know, put the jack foot down. No, it's easy. Just do it the late. There's one notch up, right? Then set the dump trailer. I don't know if my fingers are there, it's gonna fall on me. The second I do that. Oh well, that's how it'll go. Yeah, that sounds good. I'll swing by.
Scared me. Good dog. Yeah.
Go, like go truck, go to the floor right now.
Oh, don't lose the carpet.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Won't pull forth the horsepower. It won't even max out third. It just sits there in third gear. It runs in third gear. It won't even like go past third gear. Like it's just like as fast as the truck will go.
It's a heavy load.
Yeah. It's like it won't even, the engine won't even rev up. It doesn't even slowly increase. It's like sits there. Maxed out. They're hold on much. There's third. There's second. Maybe it is grabbing second.
Yeah. It's grabbing second.
So it is grabbing. That's the same sound I was making before. It is grabbing second. It'd have to go to first, which I probably would be too low. There's first gear. Let's try that.
Yeah, so then your second kicks in at 30.
There's second.
And third gear.
There's third, fourth. Oh, I skipped third, fourth, third, went overdrive, but the backwards, man. I can go backwards as fast as I can. Ready? Reverse.
It moves!
It doesn't burn on reverse.
Yay!
Good. Works in reverse. That's a gutless turn. We don't know why.
It was 7.
We lost the sticker.
Where'd you buy it? At a store?
Yeah, it was $17.99.
Jesus Christ. New?
No, used. Used, they're $3,500.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're not cheap.
So I offer them
That wheelchair I
$1,500.
bought for my wife, the one that's 60 pounds with a little.
You gonna get the wheelie?
Yeah.
Does a wheelie?
Yeah.
Where's he gonna put his dog? In the basket?
Yeah.
You got Fred on camera?
Stay. There you go. Do it again. Oh, shit.
Right?
Yeah. He bottomed up.
I don't know about E6000. That stuff's pretty expensive, hard to come by. What switch?
The switch. So he can't wheelie it or go fast.
Why? Let him go fast.
He'll
Fuck,
kill
that guy,
himself.
He'll be fine. He's a renegade. He'll be carrying his pistol, shooting rounds off this fucking thing. He took that car and smashed everything with it he could possibly find until he took it away from him. So
Let's go over and give it to him.
It's ridiculous. I feel like I'm recording the Three Stooges right now.
come on, Gorky. We're gonna give old man Terry scooter, this mobility scooter.
He's sitting outside already.
Get over
Here, baby. Here, babe.
What do you think?
Talking to me, but what's the tariff on it?
It's yours. You bought it.
Pardon?
It's yours. You bought it.
Oh.
Get on it, Terry. Let's see you rip it around.
Real slow through the park, teach you. Stay right there.
Oh.
Right between your feet.
Want to go for a ride?
Pardon?
Want to go for a ride?
Yeah.
Here, I'll take lady.
Well, I gotta take her. She's gotta pee.
Okay.
Put her on there. She'll hop on there with you, ride it around. Take it easy, just all the buttons.
Well, we gotta get him a holster for
His cane. We're gonna have to get you a holster for your cane. Here, we can flip this up if you want to slip your butt.
Oh.
Sit down, and then that's easier for you.
A little higher. There you go.
Definitely do that, Dan.
Yeah, I would lick my nails, I think, or just take it the hell off there. You don't need it at all, do you? You're just gonna fall on it. It's all. I would just take it off right now. It's just gonna fall on it.
Might be slip proof though.
Well, no, it moves. That's the problem.
There. Lady, this
Want
thing is
up here?
Pardon?
Get up here. Get up
My
here.
lady.
You're gonna go. Let it go.
Turn that thing up. It's too slow. Terry wants to go faster.
Let him start
Done.
slow.
I turned it down.
He can get
There he
crazy.
goes. Give her the beans, Terry.
It yeah, it
There
does
he goes.
wheelies. So
He wants the
chill.
power. He'll back off.
That armrest down so it didn't fall out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, mount it right there. So it just clips on there. So you can reach it.
You're running stuff over already, Terry.
You gotta put it in reverse.
Crap,
Back
crap.
up.
Here.
Yep. So hit this.
There you go. There you go. Easy.
Straighten your wheels out.
You can go the damn ramp wrong way. There you go. Now go that way.
Hit the chair.
All right, now put it
All right.
forward.